find the equation of the line. So what is the general equation of the line? The general equation of the line in the slope-intercept form would be y is equal to what?
mx plus b, which equals 1/6x minus 3.
Okay, so y is equal to 1/6x plus, but Nicole, we don't have a y-intercept here, do we? This is just a point. So if I picture this and the number line, this is the y-axis, this is the x-axis. So they're giving you a point which is x is equal to 2, y is equal to -3. So they're saying that your line passes through this point here and has a slope of 1/6. So if I move, slope is equal to 1/6, means if I move 1 units up and 6 units to the right from any given point, in this case the given points is right here, 2 and 3. From here, if I move 1 unit up, I land on point here would be -4. If I move 6 units to the right from here, so it would be 8. So this would be another point on the line. That's because that's the slope is 1/6. So my line kind of look like this, right? That would be the line, right? As you see here, Nicole, they're not giving me the y-intercept here really by giving me that point. This is the y. This is where the y-intercept is. Do you see that?
Yes.
So they're giving me this point here instead. So this point is giving to me as 2 and minus. So you have to find y-intercept. How do you find y-intercept here? We don't know what y-intercept is. What do you think? So far I have y is equal to 1/6x plus b. How do you solve for b, Nicole? Remember, they're giving you a point, 2 and -3. How are you going to use this point to find b? What do you think? You looked at this point here, -3, and you thought that is the y-intercept, right? Is that what you thought earlier? That would be correct if this were 0. So let's see how to solve for b. If the point is given to us and we already know the slope, I can treat this given point as point P, and if it is, then this corresponds to that corresponds to x, this number here 2, and this number here corresponds to y. So in this case I have y here, and here also have x. Now can you tell me how to solve for b?
Add 3 to both sides to make y 0.
Okay, first of all, we have to substitute for everywhere you see y, -3, and then everywhere you see x, you're going to substitute -2 for that. So let's do that, 2/1. And then we can solve for b. So if the point is given to me, any point like this one here, and I know the slope, then I can use this formula y is equal to mx plus b and substitute for everywhere I see m and x and y its corresponding values, and just simply solve for b. So in this case I have -3 is equal to 2/6, which is equal to 1/3 plus b. So how do you solve for b now?
Minus 1/3 from each side.
We have subtracting 1/3 from both sides of the equation. So here I get minus 3 or minus 3 over 1 minus 1/3 is equal to b. So what is b, Nicole? What do you do next?
And negative 10/3.
So the LCD is 3, good. Then you multiply the first fraction by 3 over 3, get negative 10 over 3. So it would be negative 9 over 3 minus 1. So b is equal to negative 10 over 3. That's your y-intercept. And if you look at this, looks like that the correct choice here would be b then. The slope is 1 over 6, and the y-intercept here is equal to negative 10 over 3. So be careful with the given point. This given point is not always the y-intercept. In this case, it's just any point. Do you follow that, Nicole? Okay.
Yes.